Are you searching for the best AI tool for writing, editing, and content generation? With so many options like Claude, ChatGPT, and Chatsonic, it can be hard to decide which one is right for you. In this video, we'll break down Claude AI, a powerful large language model developed by Anthropic AI, and compare it with other top AI tools. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, this video will help you find the perfect AI assistant for your needs. Let's get started. What is Claude AI? Claude AI is an advanced language model created by Anthropic AI. Like ChatGPT and Chatsonic, it can assist with a variety of tasks, including text summarization, editing, answering complex questions, coding, and decision-making. What sets Claude apart is its ethical foundation. It has been trained on principles that emphasize freedom, privacy, and opposition to inhumane treatment, making it a more responsible AI assistant. But how does it perform? Let's go over its features. Key features of Claude AI. Claude AI offers some powerful capabilities that make it stand out. It can analyze up to 75,000 words at a time, making it ideal for handling long documents and in-depth research. It has natural language understanding, which allows it to generate responses that feel human-like and engaging. It provides contextual responses, meaning it remembers previous interactions and delivers more relevant answers. It assists in technical tasks, making it useful for programmers, data analysts, and professionals in various industries. Now, let's talk about pricing. Claude AI pricing plans. Claude AI offers multiple pricing options, making it accessible to a variety of users. The free plan allows access to Claude AI at no cost, making it great for casual users. The Pro plan costs $20 per month and offers faster response times with access to the latest Claude model. The Team plan is priced at $25 per month, providing additional collaboration features for businesses. For enterprises, custom pricing is available based on specific business needs. But how does Claude AI compare to other AI writing tools like ChatGPT and Chatsonic? Which AI tool is best for text generation? Claude and Chatsonic are excellent AI tools, but ChatGPT remains the top recommendation in 2025. OpenAI is continuously enhancing ChatGPT with new features, making it more intelligent, aware, and capable with every update. While Claude AI is great for long-form content analysis and ethical AI practices, and Chatsonic is useful for real-time web data, ChatGPT continues to dominate when it comes to versatility, research, and overall text generation. That said, even the best AI tools aren't perfect when it comes to grammar and sentence structure. AI-powered grammar checkers. AI writing tools can generate high-quality content, but sometimes, they miss small grammatical errors or fail to structure sentences properly. This is where AI-powered grammar checkers come in handy. One of the best options is Grammarly, which checks for grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and clarity issues while providing real-time writing suggestions. Another great tool is WordTune, which helps with paraphrasing and rewriting sentences for better readability. Conclusion: which AI tool is right for you? So, which AI tool should you choose? If you need an AI assistant for long-form text analysis with a focus on ethics and privacy, Claude AI is a great choice. If you need real-time web data and image generation, Chatsonic is worth considering. But if you're looking for the best overall AI for text generation, research, and business use, ChatGPT remains the top recommendation in 2025. Want to try these AI tools? Check out the links in the description. Also, let us know in the comments, which AI tool do you prefer? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Indeed SEO for more expert marketing insights. See you in the next video.